Hey guys, you want to see my shop? Alright guys, this is my shop. It's 30 by 50. The walls are 14 feet high. It has a 10-foot gable extension and two roll-up doors. The front door that you're looking at now is 12 by 12, and you'll see the roll-up door in the back that's no longer in use is 10 by 10. I do have one man door in the front and one in the back, and that's pretty well the dimensions. I've got these LED lights that are pretty cool that run along the front and the two sides. I do not have them in the back. They're on a dusk till dawn circuit, so they come on when it gets dark, which is pretty cool. It's handy if I need to come out here in the middle of the night. The lean-to, let's see, I think it's about 14 feet wide, and it's the length of the shop, so it's 50 feet long. I keep my trailer under here, and for now, keep the ski boat under here. I'll turn the light on so you can see it. The ski boat is one of my projects. It's filthy, dirty, needs to be cleaned up. It runs great. I just converted it to fuel injection, but that's another story. Let's go inside the shop and I'll show you around in there. And that's pretty handy. Walk into the shop and lo and behold, I've got my drill press right by the front door. Why? I don't know. Just because that was the place that seemed to fit the best. Again, the roll-up door. I did install walls. Let me get back so you can see it. I did install walls using OSB before it became $50 a sheet. And there is, I think it was R13 bats that I used. I'm not completely finished with it. But it does okay. I do have some shelves that I put in above the workbench there, and they extend the length of the shop. There's my 82 CJ7 project. That is the never-ending project. We'll go over that in another video. And there you have it. There's the interior. We'll walk around and show you some of the tools and cool things I've got in here. Okay, I've got two workbenches. I spend most of my time right here. I've got a television. Probably need to clean off my workbench, but I've got all my camera stuff over there. I do have a little refrigerator underneath for cold beverages. Got my iPad out there. That's where I keep my my press. I do have the Hobart Ironman 230 welding machine and the Hobart plasma cutter. I have air running throughout the shop, and that air extends out to my lean-to as well, which is really handy. And all the parts and pieces for my 82 CJ7 project that will never end. I never use my bench grinder, so I'll put it up in that loft area. And I haven't used that sandblasting cabinet in quite a while, so I'll put it up there as well. Okay, in the back, this door is 10 by 10, and this is the door that comes with the building. You know, I used to keep that open and the front open to let a cool draft come in, but let me show you this. Oh yeah, you see that ductwork? You see that? Goes down the center of the shop. Those are air conditioning vents from a 5-ton unit. Yeah, my shop is air conditioned and it is awesome. Now in the back of the shop I do have a workbench. It's on wheels. I can move it if I need to. More than anything, I don't do a lot of work over here. So that workbench turns into more storage than anything. This workshop really is more for automotive more than anything. Again, parts for the 82 CJ project. This is an LQ4. LQ4? Which one's a flat top? LQ9, I'm sorry. This is an LQ9 6-liter 4L60E transmission. Eventually, one day, hopefully, this will go in that CJ7 project. So there you have it. It has been sitting here for quite some time. There's a story behind this motor that I'll tell you at a later date. But if I ever get this thing together, it's really going to be pretty cool. Okay, there's a place in Houston where you can buy these industrial style shelves, and they're pretty reasonable. I got this shelving unit, I guess, I don't know, 3 years ago. And as you can see, it's well used. It's got like a wire base where you put all your stuff. It doesn't really work for paint, so I put some real thin wood. I zippy tied it down to the wire mesh, and that's where I've got all my paint, grease, whatnot materials. Underneath, I did that first shelf, I did raise it up 4 or so feet, and I've got a few tools that I store down below. Table saw, which I don't use a whole lot. More parts for the 82 CJ7 project in that box, and on top those heads have been worked over. They are good as new. Heater that I no longer have to use. Why? Well, I'll remind you. I have central air and heat, so it's really pretty nice. Hey guys, so that completes our tour of the shop. I hope you enjoyed it. I mean, it's, you know, a shop. Again, it's 30 by 50. It's plenty for me. I really enjoy having this in the backyard. And here in the Houston humidity and heat, the air conditioning comes in handy. And if you're searching for me, 9 times out of 10, you can find me out here in the shop. So with that, I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you like the content, give me a like, subscribe. Hit the bell notification. You'll be notified when the latest video drops. And with that, guys, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you on the trail. Thank you.